What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm literally going to be sharing with you guys the tips and tricks for the easiest and simple ways to make $100 a day. Now, if you guys are brand new here and you just subscribed to my YouTube, or this is maybe one of the first videos that you've ever seen on this channel, then do me a favor and smash the thumbs up button. I got my TikTok hoodie on right now because we're blowing up on TikTok. And make sure, if you haven't already and you guys are brand new here, then subscribe, because it is certainly appreciated. I got my boy Austin's art behind me. Let me know if you guys like this YouTube setup. I've been thinking about it. This is actually my personal office. Again, I'm filming on my Canon G7X. It's not usually the camera that I film on, and it's not usually the audio that I use. But let me know in the description if you guys enjoy this. If you don't, let me know as well. So we're gonna kind of dive right into this video. I wanna make this nice and short for those of you that are watching this. So thank you so much for already subscribing and liking. So let's get to it. Do you have a pen and paper? Sweet, awesome. So you know, how to make $100 a day for investors, a simple way for people, you know, let's just say you're 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 25 years old, and you're looking at investing, you're looking at making that leap of faith. How are you gonna be able to make $100 a day? Now, before I even answer that, or you know, give you guys these tips and tricks, my question would be for you is, what would $100 a day actually do for you? Think about it. What would $100 a day do for you? $100 a day is $3,000 per month. $3,000 a month times 12 is $36,000 a year. Ladies and gentlemen, that is insane. That is incredible. So if that could help you, if you are interested in learning how to make $36,000 a year part-time without interfering with what you're already doing, then definitely stay tuned for this entire video. So I just want to share with you guys, there's a couple different routes that you can earn that passive income. Okay, the first route is it requires time. It requires time. It requires your time. The second route is actually, it requires your money. Now again, for those of you that are brand new investors, for those of you that are watching this right now, wanting to learn how to make an extra $100 a day, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the time portion of that right now. So let's get into it. The first part that is inside the time, this requires your time. This requires your efforts on actually going out there and making it happen, rather than it requiring a lot of your money. And that is buying, fixing, and flipping the iPhone business, right? I've made a previous video on my channel sharing with you how you could easily make an extra $500 a week, $600 a week, fixing and flipping iPhones, because of the distress that people have. Most people in today's world, they do not want to fix their phone and sell it to somebody. They don't want to invest into that, nor do they have the time, which is why this falls into the time category. So fixing and flipping iPhones is a very simple and easy way to make $100 a day. It just requires your time. The second way inside the time portion of passive income does happen to be buying and resale. So what that essentially means is, you know, have you ever gone to a garage store, or have you ever gone onto eBay and seen a product or service at a very low price, or, you know, people giving away gym equipment during quarantine season, right, for very cheap costs? If you took that equipment, if you took that product that person was selling, and you then were able to put it onto eBay, or you were able to put it onto Instagram, or you were able to go ahead and sell it on Facebook, or sell it on Craigslist for a higher price, that's gonna allow you to easily make $100 a day. Again, it doesn't require a lot of money, but it does require a lot of time. Now, jumping into my next and final way that requires time for passive income, and that, ladies and gentlemen, actually happens to be YouTube. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. I've tried YouTube. You know, I've been on YouTube now for a little over a year. I actually have 2 YouTube channels. My first channel is one of my regular ones. I didn't enjoy it, so I started a second one. You happen to be on that channel. This channel started to gain some momentum, started gain 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 subscribers, and then I started gaining people from TikTok and people from Instagram and people from the YouTube and people from the ATM business, and then all of a sudden it became monetized. And all monetization is allowing, you know, YouTube to promote on my YouTube channel, which then in turn actually pays me. So now I have a YouTube channel that now every single month, you know, I earn $1 or $2 a day at a max, right? Where I'm able to earn passive income. Now, obviously, if I took it seriously, if you guys shared this video and went ahead and smashed the like up button, commented and subscribed, then that would help the YouTube algorithm go from $1 to $2 a day to maybe $100 a day, depending on how many views that this video gets. Again, if you share it with 5 of your friends, it definitely helps me. If you guys share my video with 5 of your friends, I'll share your video with 5 of my friends. So, depending on, you know, everything, and if I were to take YouTube a little bit more seriously and actually be consistent for you guys and come to you guys with the content that it is that you guys are actually looking for and asking for, then I believe that you can easily get to $100 a day just by posting and uploading YouTube videos that you actually enjoy making. Like, I'll be honest with you guys, I enjoy making this video right now. I'm in a location that I like to be in. I'm wearing a hoodie I like. I'm talking to a camera that I like. I got the perfect lighting in terms of what I want to personally look like, and I'm gonna upload it onto my favorite YouTube channel, and I'm gonna share it with my favorite people, and that happens to be you. So that happens to be the third and final way that you could earn passive income by just utilizing your time rather than utilizing your money. Now, I'm just gonna run through a couple of ways that you can utilize your money now, your money to earn passive income. I'm gonna run through these a little bit quicker because I wanna make this a quicker video for you guys, and I know you're still watching. So, you know, now this requires your money. So this takes money to make money. We've all heard that, right? It takes money to make money. We have all heard that. And so that's exactly the 3 things that I'm gonna share with you guys here. And the first one happens to be the ATM business. Now, a lot of you guys know I am in the ATM business. A lot of you guys know it is not free to get into the ATM business. A lot of you guys know it takes money to get into the ATM business. And you're absolutely right. It takes right around $2,500 to buy an ATM machine, to land an ATM contract, and to go out there and install it. And then obviously you need somebody to load the machine. But I very well think that if you have money to invest and you want to curate one of the greatest passive incomes I believe ever to believe that there is, then absolutely get into the ATM business. That is a very easy and simple way to make $100 a day. Now, the second way, and I'll be honest with you guys, I've dabbled in this a little bit, but it actually happens to be stocks. Yes, stocks. Now, some of you guys watching this video might not even be old enough to be able to purchase stocks, but stay tuned because the next way you would definitely be interested in, and at least now you watching this, you would have an idea of how to be investing in stocks. Now, one thing I say with stocks is I don't recommend individuals to actually invest money that they don't actually have or not that they're willing to lose. And stocks just happens to actually be one of those, right? It is a very risky, it is a very weird industry that you could actually lose all of your money. Now, if you know what you're doing, then absolutely. I very easily know that you can make $100 a day, but it does require money. Now, obviously, moving on to the third and final way, utilizing money to earn passive income, that happens to be real estate. Now, obviously, you guys know it is not free to own real estate, but being able to leverage real estate, being able to leverage your money to actually go out there and buy real estate allows you to easily make $100 a day. Again, it just requires money. It requires a little bit of time, but more so money rather than anything else. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you guys gotten value from this video. Let me know if you guys haven't already. Smash the thumbs up button. Make sure and go subscribe if you guys are brand new. We're building one of the fastest, strongest YouTube communities in the entire world, and I'm excited about it. I'm gonna be uploading a video soon talking to you guys about my story while also doing a vlog, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching this entire video. video. Awesome Lewis here saying, we'll see you guys in a future video.